So I'm going to be doing DIY squishies, so let's get started. Okay, so for this craft you will be needing scissors, tape, stuffing, Ziploc bag, and markers. So first what you want, oh yeah, and something in like a sharp object or something. So first what you want to do is open up your bag, put the stuffing in, so I'm making a panda bear. Then you put something. Yeah, maybe two. Poke two holes. It's super small, I think. So then, I'm going to take this back. Okay. So, take that back. Now you're going to want to draw a face, which is known as the panda bun. So let me draw a face. And then there you go. We have now made this very seamless squishy. And it's back to shape. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that helped you make these fries squishy. It is not it's super squishy. So in the back, it's really bad, but in the front is what the good stuff is. by the way, I got the stuffing from in here, so I might want to put the stuffing back in here because I feel bad for it. Oh well, I could be it. It actually looks really cute, my panda bun. I really love my panda bun. Adding this to my squishy collection.